Hey guys, it's Tom from Driveway Auction. I'm here today to share with you a new product that I discovered called Cerakote. If you have a truck like mine, sun damaged trim, black is no longer black, it's gray. This product right here is nothing short of amazing. Did some research online, looked at a bunch of different products. By far, this is the best product. They guarantee it up to 200 washes, which says a lot about how they believe in their product. You'll get the box. I got it on Amazon. You can probably get it at your local parts store. You can also see that it comes in wipes. It doesn't come in a bottle. At first I was a little skeptical about that, but it's actually quite nice. As you apply it, it keeps the product distributed pretty evenly around the cloth. They give you 2 gloves to also use. I recommend using it. The product's a little bit slippery. It's going to make the application a whole lot easier. All right, so I zoomed in right here so you can't see me. That's probably better. You can see here this mirror. This one's got a lot of sun damage, a lot of fading, water spots, liver spots. It's old. It looks like it's been around the block a little bit. So we're going to take the product right here. Here it is. We're going to just tear off the top, take out the wipe. As you can see, like I said, it's like a giant handy wipe. And just watch this. I'm just going to start right here and just make one pass. I feel like I'm on an infomercial, except for I'm not getting paid by this company, so I promise you that's the truth. There's nothing fancy here. This is an old 2013 Tundra. It's got a lot of miles on it, over 100,000, a lot of it in the desert, so I can promise you this thing has seen plenty of sunlight. Now, I will do a follow-up on this in a few months after I give it a bunch of washes, because I want to make sure their claim of 200 washes is even remotely in the ballpark. And obviously, if we see some change here in the short term, we're going to know that that 200 is nothing to be claimed. But look at this. So far, so good. All right, Cerakote, check it out.